This is Professor Arujo with some notes on Learning Objective 3 in Chapter 4. So this is the menu of cash management products that is being introduced to you here. So you're going to need to know some definitions and how it all works. So checking accounts and savings accounts. Checking accounts are called demand deposits. Savings accounts are called time deposits. And then there's different other types of accounts that are basically checking accounts that pay interest, like a now account, money market deposit account, which is different than from a money market mutual fund. So you're going to be reading a little bit about those types of things, and you'll have more information in the videos that I've provided for you. For those that have a lot going on, there's an asset management account that encompasses everything. Just understand that the banking system is a sort of an internet within itself. Okay, everything is done electronically. There's no physical cash being put in the back of a van and moved from bank to bank. This is all done electronically. And so having a chance to take advantage of that electronic fund system is really very, very important. You're basically working on the same system that banks use. That's what debit cards are allowing you to do. When you use a debit card electronically, you are moving money out of your account into the merchant's account when you use it, or taking cash out through an ATM. So all of these things are extremely important to understand. We can also have pre-authorized deposits and payments, so you can set up direct deposit to allow your paycheck to be put directly into your account that's using the same system that's used to clear a check, and it's faster because you get your cash right away. You can also authorize payments to come out of your account on a regular basis to pay down, say, a car loan or a student loan. They just grab it and go every month on a certain day. Certainly, banking by phone was a big thing at one point in time. Now it's really sort of the online banking type of thing that's very, very important to understand. Everything can be done electronically and through online. Bill payment is extremely important. And one thing that I would have to say that's important to know is um, the Electronic Fund Transfer Act of 1978, because this is where it gets interesting. If you're using, um, say, a debit card, for example, you must notify the bank within 2 days, literally, if there's something going on with your unauthorized use of your debit card. Uh, and again, that notification necessarily put a limit on your loss for $50. Um, it can take longer. You have really up to 60 days to notify the bank, but they have no huge obligation to make sure your money is returned. So one of the problems with using the debit system is that it's very difficult to stop a defective payment. Um, Credit cards are much more suited for that type of protection than debit cards. There's more protection and more insurance on that. So just to know your rights, you want to read this section carefully and make sure you understand the time limits that you're under.